Python number 1, number 2, number 3. You can never defeat Biafra. Arewa shit. Your girls protested against one man. Your women protested against one man. Your elders protested against one man. Your youth protested against one man. You have danced pythons 3 times and you never learned a lesson. Now you place 100 million naira on the head of one man, the same man you are looking for. You can never see him. You have failed woefully. You are crying wolf, crying foul. This guy to show that he is holding you in the obrokos, in your obrokos. Yes, and he will never leave you until he busts it. This time around, you will drown in the Mediterranean Sea because you have circled. Everybody have circled you. Now is not the time Yoruba used to back you. You know, Yoruba used to back you before, but now you can see. It is very clear that they are not with you anymore. So, continue to cry. Place $100 billion, place million pounds on the head of one man. Your ignorance is too much. Your mumu is too much. A man that is running for his dear life. You are telling US, Germany, UK to deport him. Why they are protecting him? If you don't know, let me tell you. Let this stick in your empty skull. They are protecting him. Even all the IPOB that is living outside the country, Nigeria, the zoo. The other countries, they are protecting them. Yes. You don't know the rule of law or rule of international law. You thought or you think that every country is like zoo Nigeria where you belong. They are protecting MAZI, N.T.I, KANU, UK. They are protecting him. US, they are protecting him. Germany, you are calling. They are even all the IPOBs living outside Nigeria. They are protecting them, giving them money, giving them even shelter, food to be safe. But you don't know due to your ignorance. Actually, ignorance is a big disease and which you will live and die. You will live in your ignorance. Ignorance is a big disease and you can never escape from ignorance until you die. Yes, because you are illiterate, has no qualification. You are the worst people on earth that is illiterate. Because if you go to school and know, you will know that anybody that is running for his life or the country in which he's living is not safe for him or her. The international community will protect him. And you are here exposing your ignorance, insulting and, humiliating yourselves. Everyone see now. Everyone see now. Your women protested. It's not enough. You marched on, you step on the millipede, and the millipede did not cry, and you started crying and jumping, crying wolf, crying fowl. You marched on the millipede, going on his or her way, and the millipede or the millipede did not cry, and you are the one crying. You are the one crying. You step on the millipede, and the millipede did not cry, and you are the one shouting, crying wolf, crying fowl. You will continue to cry until all your generation will close. You are placing 100 million naira on the head of one man. Why can't you use the money to go and alleviate your poverty or challenge your government that put you in the bad condition which you cannot get out from it until the day of your death? Yes, you can never get out from your poverty until the day, all the day of your life. Go and use the 100 million and alleviate your poverty. Stop wasting your time. Nobody is going to produce MAZI, N.T.I. You are calling US and he is there, even going to travel to China, to Japan, to everywhere. Nobody is looking for him. If he's committing a crime, you know, Interpol know everything. It's not a minute. A minute is enough for them to go and capture him. But they know that he is a freedom fighter, fighting for liberation of all Africa, including you, that doesn't know your left from your right. You are calling UK, US, Germany to come and capture MAZI and send it back to you. That goes to show that your ignorance is too much. Your illiterate is too much. Go to school and study and know international law of protection. Yes, you step on the millipede, and the millipede did not cry. You are the one jumping, shouting, screaming. You will continue to scream. Now, everybody is against you. They have circled you. They have circled you. Even the Yorubas, they are beginning. Many that about 80% of them has started to understand and realize that you are the problem. And by the time you know it, it will be too late for you. Earlier you know it, the better for all of you. Yes. Yes. And kesike nke a na-akpọ onye isi onyema ọkwa napụta wee na-agụ akwụkwọ ndị Fulani bunyelie ọkwa m alini ọkwa ka onye isi ka ezi afịa m amakwụma afịa ahụ afọ oyibo ahụ ịmara adị m amakwu afọ oyibo n'afọ Igbo ka m na-ama mmasị nọọ ali gịnị onye isi akwụkwọ ndị Fulani bunyelie ka ọ pụtara na-agụ maka gịnị fasiliana ọ bụrụ na o kwuru ihe ahụ na fa ga-ejidie mebie airline ya fa ga-emebi airline ya fa tretin gị bad shake yenye bad si anya ji ekwu ihe ahụ okwu wee nye ya akwụkwọ ọ ga-agụ si ya ọ bụrụ na o kwuru ihe ahụ fa were okwu tinye n'ọnụ push onye nya gaba ọ gaba maka fa tretin gị bad si na fa ga-emebi nya ngwa afịa nya airline ya ọ bụrụ na o kwuru ihe ahụ fa ga-ejidie lọkilidie isi n'ala o wee gakwuo ali na onye ma ịbụ ezigbote iti bọlịbọ ndị ebere ugwu bịa sị gị kwuba okwu iwe ikwuba okwu maka na ifulu okwu ndị a niile senyite isi n'ala Igbo ndị ji ego na-eme na fa ji ego fachọ nnọọ ka a na-aga nnọọ one Nigeria maka ọkwa biznes ọsọ maka biznes na ọ chọrọ Nigeria big maka biznes ya ma ụmụ nwanne ya nwụbazi ya ọ chọrọ ịma ụmụ nwanne ya na-anwụgodi ọ chọrọ ịma ihe ọ ma bụ biznes ya ifuro na ọ bụ onye na-ele azụ n'afịa ifuro na ọ na-ele azụ n'afịa ihe m na-ekwu bụ na o kwesịrị ikwu ihe ahụ ihe o kwuru bụ ịgba ndị befa mgba ndị befa mgba maka na asịrị ya na a ga-emebi biznes ya o wee bịa ali na onye maka ngwakwa gị o ihe m na-achọ ịgwa gị bụ ipekekwa ipele ezigbo mpe maka mgbe ọ ga-esi ndị ahụ gwa gị gụọ skriptu ahụ aka fagala imebi biznes ịmaazi na onye anyị nwere ga-enyegide gị nri wee nwụọ ka ụmụ nwanne gị fụ ụzọ iju na fama mfụ ụzọ na ị ga-eso ndị ilo wee na-agba mgba ịkwa gị ihe ilile aka adịghị n'eze mana ị ga-agbọsisi ya ọkwa ifulu ihe a ikwughelighị ebe akwa alịlị mbụ oge ọnụ ị ga-atọ n'isisi ruo ụka ịmara ịgbagote enu ịgbada ana ịmara iligochecheche ịda nkịtị gwoo ndị ilo nwere akwụkwọ nye gị si gị jee gụọ wee na-eyi gị egwu ị na-ama gbalịgbalị si gị ọ bụrụ na ị merie ihe a ka ndị chief celebrities na-emefa ncha ọtụtụ n'imefa onye libere osi nwanne ya tabazie aja mana ị mara na ị ga-ewenwulu onye ị nwere wee nyere ụmụ nwanne gị aka i wee je gụọ skriptu ndị ugwu onye ị gụrụ ya ọ bụrụ na ijebe kwugheli ebe akwa alịlị yọọ Chineke abụkwa nga ọnụ iligo checheche ị ga-alị detan iya lideta na iga yon li ige kpo aja iya ta aja ole si mi je kwugeli enye ke mesian